Got another yellow bathtub. Must be a common thing in this neighborhood. Probably like the sixth one I found in this neighborhood. Well, I got a call for it, so. Alright, let's load her up. Oh, goodness, that's a heavy freaking Christmas tree. Here's another one. What's in the pressure cooker? Hopefully it's empty. Oh yeah. All aluminum, sweet. No stick, good deal. Boy, it's a slow day. Slow day. Oh, popcorn, no thanks. Light bulbs out the bazoo. No, don't need no light bulbs. Now, whatever. Lights with ballast and a little bit of water. I'll take them. And a hood range with the copper fans, yeah. Just a couple turkeys hanging out in the front yard. Unbelievable. Slowly, very slowly today. Yeah, it's better than something a lot heavier. Sure, sweet. And it was already there, so I don't have to mess with that. Thank you, scrub gods. Sorry for the wind, but it's the way it is. Sunday scoops. Take that home and finish cleaning that up. Got a battery, a whole bunch of scrap metal. And get to the scrap yard, I'll use the sledgehammer and knock the rest of that concrete off. Had to be the weather, there really wasn't much out. And I went through a lot of neighborhoods for this little bit. But, alright, let's go to the scrap yard, get a weight ticket. Oh, it's a crappy day. It's gonna be a soupy mess in this yard, all that rain. So I asked if they wanted to deduct the concrete on the pole. He said, "You're good." Well, thank you very much. That's why I keep coming back here to this same yard. Gotta appreciate stuff like that. Not a nitpicky yard. Nitpick. Oops. What a way, what a pay. Whew, what a slow Sunday. Light iron, 700 pounds, 8 cents a pound, $56. $20 in fuel, so I got that back. $10 for lunch. Wasn't a very profitable day, but we got stuff into the proper place. Alright, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share me out, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and I'll have better days, but alright, have a good day. The sun came up. Pretty nice when you're not in the wind. Let's see here. Looks like a Swindella. Yeah. Oh! Well, two hands. Weed whacker and a blower. Sweet.